Okay, here's a cube trying to be solved. With any luck, it'll come out all solved at the end of this step. We'll see. We've got the gadget here with 3 servos. We got the flipper servo, we got the holder servo, and we've got the rotate servo. All being controlled by this Arduino board, which has a microprocessor on it and knows how to send pulse width modulated signals to put the servos in the right position, as a library that comes with it. That's running on the Arduino board, but it's connected to the laptop over a USB connection. Each step of the way, I take a picture of the cube and see if it matches what it should be. If it isn't looking right, it stops so it doesn't go off into the woods. This is another light saturation issue. Still going strong here. So a big step which let me get close to the solution here is when I had the camera check every step. Sometimes things got out of sync and it was really hard to recover. Now I know exactly when it first has any problem, and it will stop there waiting for me to put the cube back in the right place. The problem movement is a flipper movement. Sometimes that gets stuck, but it's behaving pretty well today. Okay, more whites. Great. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is a solved Rubik's Cube. Good work, gadget. Oh, now it does a little victory dance. Done. Okay, let's declare success here.